Welcome back. In the last video, the first video of the series, we talked about getting started with Python in VS Code. And in the video, we installed few extensions. If you can still remember, we installed Python, which automatically installed Python debugger and the Python index. So for the series, I'll be using few other extensions, and I think it's better you see them so you have the same interface as mine, or at least you are aware of what is the cause of our differences in interface to our VS Code. So I'll be using the Atom 1 Dark extension theme. Personally, I prefer using GitHub theme, or Atom 1 Dark has better color separation. When you are coding, it has better color separation, which will help you in debugging your code. Perhaps you run into bugs. Also, here I have code spell checker. That's not important for the series. I just have it for personal use. Also, I have error lens. Error lens is also not important, but it helps your coding. GitHub theme, that is also a theme that I use personally, but I won't be using that during the course of the series. Alright, we have prettier code formatter. Prettier helps in formatting your code. Pylons has already been installed. This has been installed. Debugger has been installed. Alright, I have Python indent here also. Python indent helps with indentation in your Python code. Alright, that's all about extensions. Can get back into our coding proper. So let's create a folder here. New folder, you can call that Python programming series. Alright. Python programming series. Alright, so I will drag that into my VS Code. Okay, so you can go to full screen, and then you can create our first file. Let's call this print into the console. Print into console.py. The extension for Python file is py. Alright, in order to print to the console in Python, you use the print function. The print function. So you have the print keyword followed by parentheses. So I can say parentheses, I can say bracket. I use either of the words interchangeably. So you have the print keyword followed by the bracket, and then whatever you want to print to the console will be inside of the bracket. For example, if you want to print hello world, so you have your string, your quotes, then you type hello world. Right, to run that in the console, you press your run button here. So we have hello world printed to the console. I hope you can see this properly. If you can't, let me zoom this in. So to print anything to the console, you use the print function, which starts with the print keyword followed by parentheses, and inside of the parentheses you provide whatever you want to print to the console. If you want to print multiple lines, then you have to use multiple print keywords. Let's say you have another print here, that's for another line. You can say my name is John. I can save that and run that again. So that's going to print hello world as the first line, and then my name is John to another line. Okay, if you want to print another line, you use another print function. Welcome to Python series. Okay, you can see this text highlighting. That is the function of code spell check, the extension I showed you the other time. This extension. So the extension is going to highlight whatever typo error you have in your code. Alright, so you can see my programming is not correct. I have MING. Okay, so you run that again to print that in the console. That's the simple way with which you can print anything into the console. And you are not limited to only string. You can also print numbers. We still get to data types in Python. So you have a view of the numerous data types we have in Python. So you can print number also. You run that. So you have hello, my name is John. Welcome to the programming series, and then we also print 2. Alright, that's that for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be notified as soon as other videos in the series are being dropped. I will see you in the next video.